Ciao everybody, today we'll be making dick pasta, courtesy of my friend Michelle and Tarek, who've traveled to Italy and brought back this wonderful Italian delicacy. So here are the ingredients you're going to need to make this dick pasta. You need butter, a bit of butter, you need the dick pasta themselves, there it is. Raining. Make it rain. That's what they look like. Yes. Lovely. My stomach is growling. You also need a variety of spices, which include garlic, parsley, tomato, pepper, picante, oregano. Then you need some olive oil. I got the lovely El Griso. Alright, let's drop the butter. Drop the butter in the pan. I got this much of it into the pan. Alright, then I'm just gonna squirt some oil. I'm making the sauce. That's what I'm doing. The sauce for the dick pasta, so you want to really get it moist and sizzling. So, alright, now that's all melted. Drop in the spice. I've got 1 tablespoon of it, which seems like plenty, and let it simmer. It gets pretty hot, as you can tell. It gets pretty hot making dick pasta normal. So you want to turn off the heat, and while you do, let it sort of just sit. And then now we're gonna focus on the dick pasta. Let's boil the water. Get that going. Alright. Now that the water's boiling, let's drop in the dick pasta. Alright. Into the tub, boys. There you go. Close up. Okay. Set it for 6 minutes, and then just busy yourself. There's always something to do in the kitchen. Right? There's always something to do. Oh god. That's premature, is what we call it in the biz. Premature. Alright, 6 minutes has passed. Let's give a taste of this dick pasta. Make sure it's al dente, is that what it's called? I don't know. It seems edible. So, dump out the water, strain it. Strain the pasta. We'll give it a little one of these moves. Alright. Next step here. So I want to heat up the sauce again. Get it all hot, and then I'll dump in the pasta and just cook it with the sauce. Let the flavor seep in. As you give it a little stir, move it about. Flip there. Alright. Looking good. So I want it to simmer, just let it simmer for 2 minutes on the pan. You can keep stirring if you want. You probably should keep stirring. Alright. After 2 minutes, it should look something like this, just a sizzling pan of pasta, and you just want to plate it. Just get it on the plate. I'll shovel it on. Oh, take it away. And there you go, a lovely dinner for one happy person. Alright, this is the traditional Italian cuisine of dick pasta. Yes, if you've enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see more, please subscribe Take care. Arrivederci.